Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 631, the Adult Learner. So week number 13 starts on Monday, which is April 15th. And as you know, we only have 14 formal weeks in the class, so not much left. So congratulations to everybody for making it to this point, and I appreciate the excellent work that's been going on for the last 2 weeks with all of the top-notch exploration projects, and I want to thank everybody for that. They've just been exceptional. And you know, from the materials to the discussion forums to the participation level, it's just been very good. So congratulations to also the presenters, but also I want to thank everybody that's participated. So as you can see, this is week number 12. Sarah, Aaron, Autumn, and Haley. And if you have not participated in their projects or even in the first week projects and you want to circle back, you still have time. Especially today's Saturday, we still have 2 more days in week number 12. So you can participate in any of these coming up. So let me get right to week number 13 materials, and let me come over here. As you can see, week 14 materials, these are still hidden. Week 13, these are available, and some of that is because we have 3 presentations this week, or facilitations. We have Sarah, and we have Patrick. And you can find their projects here. I think they will be populated. All of the information, all the information will be available for you on Monday morning, April 15th. So if you do show up early, you can see this week number 13, all of the materials, or week number 13 is available. So you might come in later on today and look for materials from any one of these 3. It may be available or it may not. So first Monday morning is when all the materials would be there. So as with the other weeks, I would like you to participate in at least 2 of these. If you could, 3 would be wonderful. And once again, we have a little time towards the end of the class. Actually, after week number 14, you could always circle back and take a look at anybody's exploration project that is presented. Week number, the first week material, which was week number 11, and I have graded those, and you know, the same thing as the week ends, 12, 13, 14, as the week ends, I grade the people that have participated, or not participated, but the people that have actually presented that week. And just a comment on your participation grades. I'm working on that. I'm a little behind, and just stay tuned. Okay, so that's it for the materials for week number 13. So week number 13, week number 12. We just still have 2 more days there. Okay, so I did want to mention just a couple of things here. One has to do with the final assignment, the learning autobiography. Now, I did put in, if you haven't looked at this before, there are some examples. There's an example. We have Andrew H., we have Hannah, we have mine from 2001, and we have Rebecca's. If you look at these and you read them, please realize that what each one of us have shared means something to us. It doesn't mean that you have to use the same format. It doesn't mean that you have to write to the same level of maybe rawness or emotions that at least myself and Rebecca used. And every year I vacillate between, should I include mine, because it's deeply personal and it's raw. It was what I was kind of in a big transformative period in my life, and not that I'm not now. I think life is a big transformation. what I posted was pretty raw, and it had to do a lot with me being fired and me sobering up. And so you do not have to get down to this level of being either personal or vulnerable. And whatever aspect you want to talk about, you can. One other thing I wanted to point out, so we have these exemplars in here. And another thing is, if you come into the assignment, first of all, take a look at the syllabus. But in the area that you actually submit your assignment, and I think I'm gonna add this actually to, maybe I'll include this with the video, but I wanted to tell you that there is a rubrics, and if you come into the assignment, you'll look down at the bottom, you will see it. And in the rubrics, as you can see, here's the rubrics, and all of the details for this assignment are internal. It's in the syllabus, and it's also in this particular place where you submit the assignment. So if you're looking for the rubrics, here it is. I use these pretty carefully. I won't go into a lot of detail on it because you can take a look at it, and then if you have any questions on this, please let me know. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoy the exploration projects this week. We have, looking at the learning organizers from each one of these folks, we have some really interesting topics this week. Transformative learning is one of those, and that's one of my favorite topics. And then next week we have kind of the final exploration project presentations. We'll tidy up some things, but that is really what the format for the next 2 weeks are going to be. Any questions, please fire away, and I hope you have a wonderful week. If you've, anything coming up or anything that you want to discuss with me, please shoot me an email, contact me in whatever way possible, and we will make that happen. Have a good week, everybody. See ya.